Hello and welcome. You're watching PMC English. This is Ayushi Farasi. I'm here again with another story in a segment of motivational stories. So here goes the story. There was once a very wise man living in ancient times. He was elderly and educated and held knowledge and books to the highest regard. One day while on a walk, he realized that his shoes were really starting to wear out. Because he spent a lot of time walking on a daily basis, he knew he had to find the best shoes to support and protect his feet. But back then, he wasn't such an easy task, as he couldn't jump online to do some research and have shoes delivered to his door. The man did not want to make things worse by purchasing the wrong shoes and having inadequate protection, which would lead to injuries and the inability to leave his home and walk to find new books to read. The man gathered all of the books he could that were written by only those that he admired the most to search for the answer to his question, "What do I do if my shoes have fallen apart?" He read through several books for many hours before finding out that he had no choice but to go to buy a new pair of shoes. He then spent a lot of time reading about how to know if a pair of shoes fits properly. Once he was satisfied with the answers he found, he was proud of himself for doing the research and he felt confident in his ability to buy a high quality replacement for his old shoes. He figured if he hadn't done his research, he probably would have gone barefoot for the rest of his life, as he had no one to tell him how to fix his shoes. Following the book's instructions, the man took a stick and measured his foot with it. He then went to the market and finally came upon a pair of shoes that he liked. However, he realized he had left the stick back at home, which was far away from the shop. Well, by the time the man returned to the market, the shop was closed, and by that point, his shoes were completely split, so he had to return home barefoot. Again, the next morning, he walked back to the market with barefoot, but the shoes that he had chosen the day before had been sold. The wise man explained what had happened to the shopkeeper, who reacted with a sense of surprise, asking, "Why didn't you buy the shoes yesterday?" The wise man replied saying, "Because I forgot the stick that I had used to measure my feet back home. And anyone who knows anything about shoes knows that you have to have the correct measurements of your feet before you can buy your shoes. I did not want to buy the wrong size and I was following the normal instructions." Even more confused, the shopkeeper asked, "But your foot was with you. Why didn't you just try the shoes on?" The wise man was equally confused in return and responded saying, "All the books say shoes must be brought with the exact same measurements of the shoes you already own." Laughing at the wise man, the shop owner replied, "You don't need the advice from the books to buy shoes. You just need to have your feet, some money, and some common sense to not complicate things." Well, this story gives us a moral that sometimes you need to take action without overthinking things. Knowledge often comes in handy, but in some circumstances, if you lack experience or common sense, your knowledge will only get you so far. In fact, it could make things seem a lot more complicated than they actually are. If you are facing an issue, don't forget to use your reasoning skills in addition to anything you have learned in a formal learning environment. Well, I hope that this story will make a change in your life. Now you can write to us your inspirational stories or any motivational stories that you want us to convey from this platform. You can write to us at mailpmcenglish@gmail.com. Well, this is Ayushi Farasi signing off. Stay tuned to PMC English for more updates.